Hi you guys, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back to our normal makeup routine and outside of the special effects world, which I'm a little bit bummed about, but I might have a very special surprise for you guys next time we hang out. So you might want to make sure that you don't miss out by being subscribed to my channel, turning on those notification bells, giving this video a big thumbs up for me, and let's jump right into this tutorial. As always, friends, I'm just going to be starting off prepping my eyes. I'm using my handy dandy Urban Decay Potion Primer. Now using my Suva Beauty Hyper Palette, I'm dipping into this shade Sweet and Sour using my Sigma E30 brush, and I'm just going to be tapping that and dabbing it into my outer corner in my crease area. And also bringing that down. Now guys, using this LSD color in here and my Morphe JH38, I am just going to blend out that red and bring some of this pink color over here. I'm only going to go softly over the red to blend out the edges and make it kind of a smoother transition. Before we start blending and bringing some of that red into our brush, I'm just layering down like an initial layer of pink so that we still have that really concentrated pigment. I'm going back and forth with a few brushes, guys, just to help me blend a little bit better. And I also am going to be taking a clean blending brush because this is just a really pigmented pink, and I'm going to very lightly on the tippity top just blend that out a little bit more. I don't want to go past the very top though. I want the bottom half to stay nice and pigmented. Now we're just going to be grabbing our concealer and our flat tip brush to achieve our cut crease. I do have a video on how to do a cut crease if you are a little lost on this step that I will link up above. Okay, you guys, now very lightly and very carefully, I'm going to start building up this color near my lower lash line, staying away from this area over here. You guys will see what I'm talking about using this shade Hallucinate. So guys, this is the only shadow I'll be using from my James Charles palette today. I'm going in with Pinkity Drinkity, and I am just taking my Morphe JH42 and I'm smoking out that purple shade. I don't quite think it's dark enough, so I'm going to mix it with the pink shade below it, which is called Skip. And now going in with black light, guys, over here, I'm just going to be filling in the remainder of my lid area, and then with a flat angled brush, very thinly, I'm going to redefine my cut crease because just any areas that I feel like I might have blended over. I'm gonna throw on some brows off camera, guys. If you are interested to see how I do my brows, I do have a video. I will link that up above for you as well. So I'm going to just prep my face with my professionals, and then we can get on to our foundation. For foundation today, guys, I'm using my Urban Decay Stay Naked in the shade 30 CP and applying that with my Sigma F80 brush. Going in with our Creme Brulee Concealer, guys, I'm just applying this with my Sigma F75 brush. And this isn't like a cream contour or anything, but I'm just doing this to bring a little bit more dimension and make my contour a little bit easier to blend because I feel like it today. I'm using my Skin Stick by Fenty Beauty in the shade Honey. To set my face, guys, I'm just using my Huda Beauty Translucent Powder and my JH89 brush. For my contour and blush, guys, I'm using my MAC palette and my Pink Swoon. For my highlight today, guys, I'm using this shade Daiquiri right over here. It is a beautiful shimmery pink color, and I'm so excited to use it. Guys, literally every single time I try anything besides a nude lip on me, I don't like it. I don't like colors on my lip. But should I try it? Should I try a pink lip? Or like a brown pink lip? Or a red lip? Or a red lip? I hate it. I put pink in the middle and I hate it so much more now. I don't know, what do y'all think? I went with Bonnie by Huda Beauty. It's a nice shade, it's a pretty shade. It's, you know what I think it is? I think I just am so into that super overlined, like Bratz doll lip look. Like, I love that dark nude brown liner and just straight gloss. Like, that is my shiz. And you know what? Like, I don't know, like, will I regret overlining my lips so much one day in like 20 years looking back? Maybe, probably, most likely. But I'm still gonna do it because I want to do it right now. I don't know. I'm gonna go throw in some lashes though, on another note. Now you guys, we just have our last two steps. I'm gonna be using my MAC Coffee eyeliner and this same pink shade that we used earlier and just smoking out my bottom lash line. I changed my mind again. I'm actually just gonna put a little white in my lower lash because I just feel like it. I feel like it'll look cuter. surprise! I threw on some blue contacts that I just got in. They're so cutie. Guys, this is what I would look like if I had blue eyes, a nose job, and lip injections. I'm thinking about it. Maybe. Definitely, probably not, but maybe. I don't know. Anyway, that's it, guys. This is the tutorial. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Next time, I do have a very big surprise to you guys that I am so excited for. Really, I'm so excited. Like, so excited. So make sure you don't miss out on it by being subscribed to my channel, having your notification bells on, giving this video a big thumbs up for me, and I cannot wait to see you guys and hang out next time. Bye!